My name is Ivy, I'm 12 years old, and today we're going to come back with the topic called science facts, force, and net force. Okay, so first of all, let me give you an example of how force work. Alright, so I have these glasses. When I use my force to move this up, will it ever goes on and on and on, ups and ups and ups? No, I don't think so. Okay, another, like I have this, kind of like my pen, okay? I have force in it, and it's like, wow, it's just move, but it's not move on. So how? Okay, let's start. So what is a force? A force is kind of like things. It's a push or pull. Like you, okay, you push, you pull it up. I pulled it up and I push it to close. And that is a push and pull. A force is a push and a pull. It's like a discovery of the gravities by Sir Isaac Newton, a famous scientist. I bet you know him. And the force, like, it makes things move. It makes things move. You hit it, you push, and you pull it, it makes things move. And of course, force is called by Newton's, as given by named by Sir Isaac Newton. Newton's is how you pull it. Okay, so how can I pull that glasses? These glasses, how can I pick it up? I pick it up. Did I pull it? Okay, I pick it up. Is that like I pull it? And how can I pull it? It's just because I have more force than this one, than these glasses. I have more force. So how can I have more force? The bigger mass I have, the more force I have. Well, the bigger mass the things have, the more force it will have. So what stops the things move from making the force? Well, today we're not talking only about the force. We're talking also talking about friction. So what is the friction? Well, a friction is kind of like a thing that stops the things that moving by the force. Well, when on the ground, when you push something, and then it's always you push a ball, you kick a ball, it rolls and roll and roll, and if there are some things like in front of it, in that ball hit it, you kind of like it stopped. It can move back some and then it stopped. And if that is move and nothing is also rolled and it will stop, because the friction is not in that things that ahead of that ball. If it have, it's also is on things like the ground have the friction. The faster you kick the ball, the stronger you kick the ball, the farther it can roll. That's why. And also, one thing that I want to tell you, that if I pulled, I want to pull something, that if I pull, I pull the wall. That's that. I push it the wall. I push the wall, and it's not moving. Do you know why? And because I'm push a wall and I'm staying still, and that wall will stay still. It's kind of like that wall have the more force than me, weight more than me, have the more mass than me, and it's also get like pushing, but that wall have the more force and more mass than me, and it's kind of like, Shruvi, can you
get a bag, like a grocery
Shruvi,
bag, and you see how
that is move. And it's not kind of like it's not moving, but it's kind of like it stays still, because me and that wall have the same mass, same force, and each other is not moving. That's why. And if some things like a cat and a dog are pushing each other's, pushing a block is between that cat and dog and pushing each other's, but the dog have more force than the cat will move. Like the force that box will move to the side of the cat, and the cat will move too because the dog have more force and it can push that box and also the cat. So that's what's all I want to tell you about force. So thank you for watching and thank you for listening. And I hope I can see you more about force. Thank you.